Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your account with Amazon step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the official Amazon website. Once there, locate the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner. Click on it to reveal the drop-down menu. Select Sign In to enter your account details. If you cannot remember your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. You will be redirected to a password reset page. Enter the email address or mobile number associated with your account. After that, click on the Continue button. Check your email or SMS for a password reset link from Amazon. Open the link to access the password reset page. Create a new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements. Confirm the new password by entering it again. Once done, click the Save Changes button. Return to the Amazon homepage and click Sign In again. Input your email and the new password you just created. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If you are successful, you will be taken to your account dashboard. In case you face any issues, repeat the process or visit Amazon's help section. You have now reset your Amazon account successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.